So, any plans for after the show tonight?
Go home, put on my Panda PJs, and listen to the contingency plan.
So, overall, how would you describe the atmosphere here this evening?
I was cloned in a lab.
Can you smell that? Oh, well. So literally everyone is asking, what is the process you go through in order to play a character like John Wick?
Everything I've learned and used in the John Wick films came straight from the contingency plan.
Here's a little known fact. I'm actually Jimi Hendrix. There are no less than 3 Joe Bidens, and the earth is flat.
So, Mel, what was the overall vibe like on the set of Daddy's Home 2?
I'm not really a fan of this film. Personally, any movie without Old Testament giants isn't worth watching, in my opinion. My advice is to avoid this piece of shit and instead binge the entire catalog of the contingency plan.